I took it out of that bowl because this is so big. It was so much of it, so I used one of these pans where I discard it, and I'm preparing the meat for the Salisbury steak. I've got to get a new set of gloves, and I'll be right back. But I wanted to show you that I changed to get the steak going. I've got butter and olive oil. I have the meat cooking. It'll cook for us till it gets almost totally done. And then here's this concoction. It looks terrible, but wait until you see it. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So here is our Salisbury steak. It is beautiful out there today. I love my blooming onion. I hope y'all looked at the video. I got this on eBay, and I love this thing. It works so good. I've got to find a place to put it now. That's the only aggravating part, when you get all kinds of gadgets. You don't know what to do with yourself. Anyway, girls, I'll get back with you again just a little bit, and we'll have Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes. Would y'all believe that ugly gravy mix would have turned out like that? I'll put my mushrooms and my little chives and some little parsley on top of them brown gravy. And on top, that sits on top of a bed of mashed potatoes. Looking good, girls.